Hey guys, so as you have seen the title and thumbnail, that's why you clicked on this video. So what is about this video? It's about actually I have to clear something because I have read so many comments. Some people still like confused what is membership, how to join that, and how much charging. Lots of comments are like they are saying my channel is useless because most of my videos are behind the paywall. But that's not true. Uh, Lots of videos is still free. So let me show you what is actually on my channel. So basically you can see I have 4000 videos, 4K videos. If you remove half of the shorts, still 2K videos. From that 2K videos, I have around 700 videos that is under the membership just for $1 as written here. And rest of 1300 videos, more than 1000 videos is still free. So what you get in $1 and how to join this. So to join it, you have to click on the join button here. If I'll just copy this link and open it in the guest mode because it will not show for me. This is the join button beside the subscribe. So you have to just join through this and you have to just pay $1. Okay. Then after joining this, what you'll get, you have to go to the course and this is the playlist and you can see how many videos 672. And why I'm written here 700 because it was more than 700. I have removed some videos. I made them free again. And I'll keep doing that. I'll just add more videos, remove some old videos. So I'll just manage it around 700 or 800, maybe 1000, 1K. I will put videos in this for just $1. So if I click here and let me just click here one more time, I'll just show you. These are the all videos you will get. So these are the effects you will learn in just $1. So you can see the duration 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, even 1 hour, 17 minutes. So these are all tutorials 23, 26. Okay. So you can see the playlist is very long. 672 videos is not joke in $1. So I don't think I'm doing anything wrong with you guys because all these videos were free for 4 years. So all my channel videos were free for 4 years. I just did that in past 1 year, I think. So it's just $1, not very much. You can support me by paying $1 and you will get lots of good content in that amount. So this $1 it will not waste and I think it's worth these tutorials. Some tutorials are like so much advanced, they are more than $100, should be in $100 course. If you'll find the courses on Udemy or any other site, you will not get any tutorials like these at this cost. So you can see if I just keep scrolling, you can watch this playlist without paying. This is free to watch the playlist and you can see how many tutorials are there. And if you wish, if you even want just one tutorial, not 600 tutorial, that one tutorial is also cheap in $1. But in $1 you will get more than 600 videos. So this is what I want to say in this video. So so because I have read so many comments, so the confusion was all my videos behind the paywall. No, only 600. Still 1300 videos are free. Second, how much you have to pay? $1. Third, how to join that? Click on that join button beside the subscription. So I think these are all the points I want to just showcase in this. So I hope now you will join if you want. So and thanks for supporting me who already joined, all my members. So that's it. Bye.